Well, the Heavenly Palace Space Lab has fallen out of the heavens, Natalie. The Tiangong-1, that means Heavenly Palace. The Chinese Manned Space Agency says that it re-entered the Earth's atmosphere a little bit less than 2 hours ago at about 8:15 a.m. Beijing time over the South Pacific. Now, this space lab was first launched into space in 2011. It had a couple visits from Chinese astronauts. And then in 2017, China informed the United Nations that it had essentially lost contact with the space lab for a period of about 14 months. We've never really gotten an explanation for why or how that happened. And now it has finally re-entered the Earth's atmosphere. The space lab says that, quote, most parts were burned up in the re-entry process. The space lab was about the size of a bus. It was roughly 12 meters long, 3.3 meters in diameter. It weighed about 8.5 tons, and its malfunction or the loss of contact with it and its uncontrolled re-entry is a bit of a setback, an embarrassment for China's space agency, though it is very ambitious. It's planning to put up a manned space station by 2022. Most of the parts, again, burned up in re-entry. It's believed that the solar panels would have probably been the first to go, though some debris would have probably made it down to the South Pacific. This isn't the first time that a space station has fallen out of the sky. In 1979, the U.S.'s Space Lab also had an uncontrolled re-entry. It was much bigger. And also in 1991, the Soviet Union's Salyut 7 or DOS 6 had a similar uncontrolled re-entry.